Hello. In this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to connect your external mic with your smartphone. First of all, yeah, open Play Store and search Open Camera. Click on it. Uh, See this icon. This application is 1.8 megabytes only. Click on Install. After installation process is complete, open your camera, allow it. Okay, now go to settings. See the right side on your camera application. Go to settings, and then you should on to this option face detection is turned on. Go to video setting, and first of all you set video resolution full HD, 16:9. Okay, swipe down, and record audio is turned on. Okay, audio source, click on it, and external mic, second option, external mic, click on it. Go back and plug in your external mic and record some clips. Click on this is video option. Okay, allow. Now record some video clips and check it.